Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And today, got the white outdoor lawnmower. It's getting it ready to go and start mowing the grass. And this tractor hasn't run in 2 years. Last time I ran it, there was a little bit of an issue with the carburetor. Silly me thinking, all right, no big deal. I can get it running again. Well, that changed to something a little bit more. Had to remove the gas tank, just a couple of zip ties, and then the gas line just comes down through, connects over here, because that was all weather cracked, and the minute I put gas in it, it just leaked out, so I replaced that line. I took out the on-off gas switch. This is the only lawnmower I've ever seen that had one on it, so I just removed it. Got a new oil filter, but the battery I had didn't work, so I just went and bought a new battery, charged that up yesterday, tried to turn it over. It would turn over, but real slow. What it is just, it's been sitting for 2 years. So I'm going to have to go and take off all the connections. I'm going to start over here on the starter. I'm going to take that off, the wire, clean it all up, clean this whole thing all up. It's got all of the connections are corroded. So that's the project for the day, because I got to get out there and get this thing running. Luckily it's raining today, and unlucky because the grass is really tall. So I got to get this mower going. So let's get to it. So I just have a 7/16 wrench, some sandpaper, and a wire brush. I'm going to get this nut off here. Hopefully it comes off. Oh yeah, it came off nice and easy. Just like that. Put it back together here. You just want it snug. Now I'm going to move on to the spark plug. Alright, so we're going to do the spark plug. Just pull off the wire there. Got a 16 millimeter. A little bit gunked up there. Going. Looks like smells like gas. So go and clean that up. Just gonna take a little sandpaper, just clean it up. So there we go, all nice and clean. Put that back in. Again, you don't need it really tight, just make it nice and snug. Look in the inside of the pipe, it's the wire, it's nice and clean. So we'll go and put that back on, hearing it snap back into place. Now, let's move over towards the carburetor. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do over here is take off the bowl. This has a fuel solenoid on it to keep gas from going in the engine when it's off and backfiring. And you just got to unplug this. This is most likely going to have gas in it. And it's just on there hand tight. So you just got to unscrew it. You can see the gas already. See the float closes it off. It's not working very well. Okay, after I put that back together, I turned the engine over by hand just by spinning the top here, and it was making a weird gurgling type noise. So I took the spark plug out, turned it over a couple of times, and gas was coming out of the spark plug area from the cylinder. I checked the oil, and that had gas in it, which means most of the time that the float was stuck, which I just moved the float, and it seems to be going up and down. I cleaned all the gas out of it, had to put a new oil filter on it, drain the oil out, put new oil in. I've done a video on that, on changing the oil in this, so I didn't film it. So now I'm just going to hook up the battery, and we'll see if it starts. Now if it starts right up, I'm just going to let it run for a second, and then I'm going to just shut it right off. Still turning over hard. I'm going to give it a little spray of starting fluid. See if that'll give it the kick that it needs. Alright, I'm going to have to put the charger on it, see what happens. So I've got the charger on, it's charging. This is a piece of cardboard. I had this underneath the tractor when I was doing that, just for that reason, so it would collect the gas and not get all over my floors. So I'm going to give it a little while. Alright, it's been about a half hour. I got the battery still hooked up to the charger. I'm going to try to see how it turns over. There we go, a little smoky. Take it out and see how it mows. Running good, mowing decent. Grass is still really wet, but it's doing all right. Got it back up and running after sitting for about 2 years. Gotta love these old mowers. Run forever. Till the next one. A little bonus footage. The next tractor video I do will be on this, the Craftsman GT 6000.